much clearer here. Today is Sunday. Shh! Sunday. February 2024. I don't know the exact date, pero February 2024 Sunday. First week of Sunday siguro. So, ayan. I got stray cats today. Matatapos na naman ako ng gawaing bahay. Sa kusina, sa baba. Ayan. Ayan, binilang ko sila ng pahabang plate. Actually, ito ng chicken. Para hindi sila mag-away-away kapag round ang kanilang plate. Kasya silang ganyan, oh. Basta panatiliing malinis ang kanilang tiles flooring. Ayan, sana mabusog ko kayo. God bless everyone. Stray cats, live long and be good, okay?